Are you looking to enhance the security of your Twitter account by enabling two-factor authentication using your phone number? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on 2FA on Twitter using your PC. First, open Twitter and navigate to the menu on the left-hand side. Click on More and then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, choose the Account option and then click on Security under the Login and Security section. Next, click on Login Verification in the Security section and select the checkbox next to it. This will open a new panel where you can start setting up 2FA. Enter your Twitter password and click Verify. To confirm your phone number, click on Send Code. Twitter will send you an SMS message with a 6-digit code. Enter the code and click Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your Twitter account using your phone number. Now, your account is even more secure from unauthorized access. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your personal information stays safe and protected online. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on how to make the most out of your social media accounts.